Hello children, today we are starting a very important chapter, active passive voice. This chapter is divided into two parts in which I will be explaining you the different rules how you can change the active voice sentences into passive voice. Children, voice is a verb form which indicates the relation of the subject of the verb to the action which the verb expresses. It is that form of verb which tells us whether the subject does something or has something done to it. When the verb in the sentence shows that the subject is the doer of the action, the verb is in the active voice. When the verb in the sentence shows that the subject is not doer of the action, the verb is in the passive voice. Example is Hari killed a snake. A snake was killed by Hari. In the first sentence, the subject is the doer of the action, and in the second sentence, subject is the receiver of the action. A verb is said to be in active voice if its subject is doing action, and the verb is said to be in passive voice if its subject is being acted upon. Like John was making a paper boat. A paper boat was being made by John. Children, here are the rules of changing the active voice sentences into passive voice. The first thing is that you have to identify the subject, verb and the object in the sentence. For example, the girl plucked the flower. In this sentence, the girl is subject, plucked is verb and the flower is object. The next important thing that always the subject is to be changed into object. Use suitable helping verb or auxiliary verb. For making the passive voice sentences, suitable helping verb or auxiliary verb should be used. Just like the subject is to be changed into object, object is also to be placed at subject. Change the verb into past participle or third form of the verb. For making the passive voice sentences, whether it is of present tense, past tense or future tense, always the third form of the verb will be used. In the passive voice, if the sentence is in simple past tense, then we change it into passive voice by adding was, were and third form of the verb. In the same way, if the sentence is in present simple tense, then for changing it into passive voice, we have to make it by putting third form of the verb along with is rm. The tense of verb remains the same when we are changing it into passive voice. Present tense will be changed into present and past will be into past. If the subject or object in the active voice is pronoun, then we change it according to that. It changes its forms. The most important thing is that the verb that we are using in the sentence must be agree with the subject of the sentence. If the subject is singular, then singular verb will be used. If the subject is plural, then plural form will be used. And last, the most important thing is we have to add preposition by. Children, here I am telling you tense-wise rules how you can change the active voice sentences into passive voice. The first one tense is simple present tense. In simple present tense, we use s or es. For making the passive voice sentences, we have to change it into is, are, am, and the third form of the verb will be used. Children, here I am giving you example. I am giving you two examples. One is of simple sentence and one is interrogative sentence. First example is I eat apples. Apples are eaten by me. Then the next sentence is does the grocer sell sugar? Is the sugar sold by the grocer? Now present continuous tense. In present continuous tense, we use is, are, am. That will be changed into is, are, am plus being along with third form of the verb. Example is they are picking some flowers. Some flowers are being picked by them. Is a farmer plowing the field? Is the field being plowed by a farmer? Now the rules for present perfect tense. In present perfect tense, we use the verb has or have along with third form of the verb. In passive voice, when we are changing it, then it will be has or have along with being, been and third form of the verb. Like Ashok has written this letter. It will be changed like this. This letter has been written by Ashok. Interrogative sentences have the children eaten all the cakes? It will be changed like have all the cakes been eaten by the children? Now simple past tense. As you know that in simple past tense we use second form of the verb. So it will be changed into was or were along with third form of the verb in the passive voice sentences. Examples are the simple sentences I wrote a story. It will be changed like this. A story was written by me. Interrogative sentences did Ashok tell the truth? It will be changed like was the truth told by Ashok? Now the past continuous tense. In past continuous tense we use the verb was or were. That will be changed into was or were being along with third form of the verb in passive voice. Examples are simple sentence will be like this. He was writing a letter. A letter was being written by him. Interrogative sentence is was the boy making a noise? Was a noise being made by the boy? For changing of past perfect tense, we use in past perfect tense we use the verb had along with the third form of the verb. It will be changed in had been plus third form of the verb in passive voice. Examples are my father had purchased the tickets. The tickets had been purchased by my father. Next example is had she written a letter? Had a letter been written by her? That's all for today. Now the remaining rules for the active passive voice will be explained in the second part of the chapter. Thank you.